Honorable Joel Senyonyi asimire miromero munekorwa ha factory konka nagira ngo hatana yenda government egambira abanya-Uganda sente zegishohorizeho.
Because of technology.
Mr. Nelson, I hear you talking about government. Is this a PPP? Is this government or private?
I request that since we are sitting somewhere, we'll get into that.
Ebibuuzo ebi ekyokubanza twenda government eruge tugambire yakata sente yakateka sente zingahi ezomuhiwa omushoro sente za government bakata muzingahi mu kampuni ejo enshonga ejo nenkulu kandi tibakubire nibeshereka ha nshonga ejo yabukuba sente nezomuhiwa omushoro ntuleba bali bombeka tugambire nizingahi.
Senyonyi nagira ngo bina amasiko mu factory kandi abashabira okugumiza muno bakozesa je sente za government.
Ikinagamba mutayi witu Nelson Tugume no kurenga sente zo mu mushorezi batunga bazikozese ki abokuba abantu bingi bizirira bahebwa sente nyingi tukaza ati Sugar Factory bakabaha bilioni bitano n'ishatu tari shukara kurugaye Dei by farmer batuzirenguru baza kukora embazi bilioni rushanjwa 23 tine embazi eri kurugaye.
There was one man who came here, his car could not even reach here. A man with a heart, that's the president of this country, and came and believed in this project and said, I think there is something here that I must support. I hope Joel and your friends probably you see what that man with the heart.
Nelson Tugume mukuru wa factory ashabira abanyishenjera bo kongera kumushagika umuhuru yo kutungura umutindo gw'umwana umwihanga.
I want to request you and I want to beseech you Ugandans, Honorable Joel Senyonyi, as the government's opposition leader and your team, in my humble key law way, support this project.
People were saying that this region does not have enough coffee, but I can assure you with this project and other projects, people have been encouraged to focus so much on coffee growing. Prices have moved up. People have been getting, you find they were buying from us at 7,700, but now you get a kilo at 14,500 from around here.
Ntsiba na munonga abantu bacyaraha abasektor support tukayangwe chinte cyakaha kandi shabaruhanga kimenshi gendo misho.
Factory netebereza ubwo kutandika kushohoza ibintu byone biri ku rwomwani okutandika omukwezi kwa kashatu mwaka guru kwija ogwe 2025 ahabwa TV West in the area Sartugusa.
Piga makofi.